Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix the camera quality for your iPhone XR. This video is all about how to switch from the average to highest quality of your camera. How can you utilize your camera at its best? So let's start this video from here. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and this is your own channel. If you have not subscribed to it, then please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. The first step is to go on your camera option on the right top of screen here. Click on that, and if you have not updated your software, then please go to update your software, because in software update there is many type of new features in your camera will be added into mobile phone whenever you will add or update your OS. After that, this is my camera's home page here, and this is photo option. I will switch on the video here, clicking on the left, and on the right top corner of screen there is a resolution called HD 30 fps. I just need to tap it. It will be converted into 4K, and whenever I will tap on the 30, it will be converted into 60 fps. So this is all about the camera setting on your iPhone. This is all about, you can do this setting just in all type of iPhone, because there is no type of major difference between any iPhone's camera. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video to all of you. If you have any type of question, query or confusion regarding a topic, drop that into the comment section. Keep watching, keep loving.